everyone, it's Sophia Hodgson from Rusty Blue 85 and I'm going to show you a very quick setup in my Filofax Domino Soft. If you've seen my previous video, I showed you how I converted my Filofax Domino Soft from ring bound into a traveller's notebook. And now that it is a traveller's notebook, I'd really like to set it up in a kind of mermaid colour scheme or theme. So I'm just going to show you some of my favourite bits and pieces that I've used to do this. First things first, you can probably see up here I've got a few dashboards and things. Gorgeous holographic laminated one there with beautiful flower colour scheme on the inside, and an acetate which again has kind of mermaid scales on it, fish scales. And this one I always think is really useful. It's got pockets in it so that you can put some die cuts and other bits and pieces, maybe some washi in there. And all of these are from a company that I found on Instagram called Isabel the Owl. So Isabel the Owl, and I love her kits. She does just gorgeous kits, so do check her out on Etsy. She's got gorgeous, gorgeous kits. So this is another bit of the kit, and also included in the kit are these stickers and die cuts and things. So just want to kind of give you a quick flick through. So there's tabs that you can put on the side of your inserts. And this gorgeous, look at this, oh, it's holographic, I love it. Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes, and that's like a journaling card, but I don't think I'd journal on that, I just want to stare at it, it's beautiful. And there should be some die cuts around here somewhere, unless Inara's eaten them all. Yeah, there we go, so, and also some die cuts in there as well, but I'm not going to get them out just yet. Now, not included in the kit, but also from Isabel the Owl, I got these stickers and I've decorated some of the fronts of my Traveller's Notebook inserts. Now, this is my personal preference. You don't have to agree with me. You can disagree with me if you want. Oh, sorry, knocked the camera. I like to get my inserts from Ultimate Success Planner. I like them because they've got a white cover and they're stitched inside. I'm not a big fan of staples, so if I do get inserts that have staples in them, I tend to take them out and stitch them myself. But I really like the quality of the inserts from Ultimate Success Planner, so that's also a seller on Etsy. This is their business card there. And I really like the quality of their inserts, they are gorgeous. Now, just continuing with the mermaid theme, this is a free digital printable from Her Name is Savvy, and I love it. And she brought it out, as you can see, at the start of 2018, and it's got all of these inspirational words. And my word for the year is joy, which is just here on her fringe, or if you're American, bangs. And there are just all of these other really positive quotes. So she was meant to be a cutout, so you could just kind of cut around her, but I decided to keep her as a dashboard so that I wouldn't lose her, because I'm so scatty I can lose things all the time. I love this vellum. I don't know if I can, yeah. I can't remember where I found this one now, but it's beautiful. And it says, "I'm done adulting, let's be mermaids." That is how I feel pretty much 90% of the time at the moment, because I'm currently preparing for my PhD Viva, so I just don't want to be an adult anymore. So that's a few bits and pieces, so I'm going to start setting everything up. So first things first, I find this really useful, so I'm going to have it at the front for sticking in my journaling cards and things. Stickers. And then I think next I'm going to have this gorgeous one, the kind of glitter And then the holographic one, which is so pretty. So pretty. And then there's this one, which I think is gorgeous. But because it's quite plain on the inside, I'll probably put one of the vellums. Put this vellum. Actually, no, I'm going to put this vellum and also an insert as well. So this is a day on a page. No, that's gorgeous, I love that. And I think this is just my plain dot grid, yep. And I'll probably use that for notes and things. I'm going to put that one at the front. And it's just decorated with all of these stickers that you can buy separately. I love them. I probably need to explain this one a little bit more. So this is my meal planner. I'm not going to go any further into it, but so whilst I was writing up my PhD thesis, I got very, very, very fat because I didn't do any exercise and I just ate whatever made me feel good. And so now I'm having to meal plan to lose all of the weight that I put on. So that is incredibly useful. Actually, if I can show it to you on the back. So basically it has the meals that you plan for your whole week and then the shopping list in order to cook them all. So I think that this layout is so helpful for me. Really, really useful. So I love this particular traveller's notebook insert. And I've also got a few other bits. So this bow charm that came with the Isabel the Owl kit, that was included in the kit, so I love to attach that to my traveller's notebook. So pretty. That fabric, that is just amazing. I love that. And the lace is very cute as well. Now I also got this when I first kind of got into planning, and this is from Novel Charms Shop. And I love that, and so that one also gets attached onto my mermaidy traveller's notebook. And I got this from Crafty Charlie, and oh my god, does it match? That is a perfect colour match. So just in case I ever forget my own name, I also attach that one as well. And I have a few kind of paper clips and things that I use randomly for any old traveller's notebook. So I like this one. I think it goes quite well with the whole kind of mermaid theme. It's a different purple to the bow that came in the Mermazing kit, but it's still kind of mermaidy. So I use this in this traveller's notebook only. And anyone who knows me knows that I am a huge fan of tea. I'm very addicted to it. There is no other way to describe the way that I feel about tea. And so I just had to get this little cute kawaii from Cherry Blossom in the Market Square. Another Etsy seller, and that's their, look at that, that's so pretty. That's their business card, so if you'd like more adorable paper clips to put in your planner, Cherry Blossom in the Market Square is the place to go. They're gorgeous. And obviously no planner would be complete without a pen. So for me, this highlighter from Stabilo Boss, which is part of the Pastels collection, is a no-brainer for any note-taking that I need to do. And also I very, very recently got this TWSBI Diamond 580, and it's in the limited edition turquoise, and as you can see again, it matches, all matchy, matchy, matchy. And I've also got some kind of sea-themed washi tapes that have gold kind of gilding to them. I think the top one is probably better suited to this journal, but I love both of them really. I can't say no to either of them. So I'm probably going to create some samples to put in here so that I can use my washi on the go. So if you've enjoyed this video of talking about how I set up my planner, do give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And let me know if you want to see more planning videos, or if you don't think that this is a good place for me to go. I appreciate all of your feedback. And if you haven't already subscribed, do click the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.